If you want to start an LLC in Texas today, this video will show you exactly how, step by step. No confusion, no unnecessary fees. Follow along and you can set up your LLC in less than 10 minutes. Also, sign up below if you'd like a free LLC formation checklist to make sure you're not forgetting anything. I'll show you where people are wasting time and money and how to avoid it. We'll also go over some important things that you need to do after setting up your LLC to help you avoid issues down the road. Let's get into it. Before you file anything, you need a business name. Something most people don't realize is that your LLC name is one of the most common reasons why LLC filings are rejected. Your name must be unique in Texas and include limited liability company, LLC, or another abbreviation at the end of the name. The easiest way to check LLC name availability is by visiting the Texas Comptroller's Taxable Entity Search page. It's free and doesn't require creating an account. This is linked in the description below. But for a more comprehensive search, you can use the Secretary of State's SOS Direct portal, though it charges a $1 fee per search. Search for your business name and make sure there aren't any similar businesses already using it. Pro tip, as soon as you choose a name, don't wait to get your website domain. We recommend heading over to spaceship.com and locking down the matching domain name. Spaceship is one of the lowest cost and most user-friendly options for buying your domain. And to make building your website as easy as possible, we'll link a video below walking you through how to create your website in a matter of minutes. You could form your LLC and launch your online presence on the same day. Before you can form your LLC, you need to select a registered agent. Every Texas LLC is required to have one. This is a person or business that receives legal and state documents on your behalf and forwards them to you. You can be your own registered agent if you have a physical Texas address and someone is available during normal business hours, Monday to Friday, at that address. However, since the name and address of the registered agent become public record, most people use a service to keep their address private and avoid missing important mail. The next step is filing their certificate of formation. This is what will actually form your LLC. You can file it directly through the Texas Secretary of State, online, or by mail, or you can form your LLC through a formation service such as Northwest Registered Agent. They're who we recommend, and we've used them to create multiple LLCs. They file everything for you, and will catch any mistake before submission. The process with them is quick and easy without any unnecessary upsells. Northwest files your certificate of formation, handles the registered agent requirement, protects your privacy, and makes sure nothing important slips through the cracks. Forming your LLC can feel stressful, but they're a straightforward way to form your LLC and get it done correctly. And if you're anything like me, you don't have the time or patience to do it all yourself. Let me walk you through exactly how to form your LLC with Northwest. You can follow along by going to the Northwest link down below in the description. First, select the state where you'd like to form your LLC. We'll select Texas from the drop-down menu. Then click Get Started. Here, the entity type of LLC and the state you selected are filled in for you. You'll see the state filing fee of $310. The official fee in Texas is $300, but when you pay with a card, there's an additional 2.7% fee. Northwest charges $39 to form your LLC and includes their registered agent service free for the first year, renewing at $125 in year 2 and beyond. Some LLC formation services say they'll create your LLC for free, but be careful because they usually end up charging you for things like expedited processing, an operating agreement, or can charge you up to $200 each year to be your registered agent. You'll see the processing time here listed for Texas is 2 days. It's similar if you file directly with the state, but other formation services may take days or weeks to process your documents before submitting your certificate of formation to the state. Or they'll charge you an expedited processing fee to process your LLC documents more quickly. There's a good to know section down here at the bottom that answers common questions for every step of the process. If you ever have a question, you can call Northwest. You'll see their number listed right here, or fill out this form on their contact page. I give them a call whenever I have a question. I'm quickly connected with a knowledgeable person who can actually answer my question. Customer support is a big part of their brand. You can learn more about what they stand for on their manifesto page. Next, enter your unique LLC name. If you have an attorney and want them to receive a copy of legal notices, select yes and add their email. Otherwise, leave it as no. Now you need to add your business's physical address and mailing address. Instead of listing your address, Northwest lets you use theirs. Like I've mentioned before, if you use your home address, it becomes a permanent record on the internet. Using Northwest address keeps your front door private. Next, choose your management type. Member managed is the most common. It means that the owner or owners, you, run the show. Select Manager Managed if you will appoint someone to handle the daily operations. If at any point you want to learn more, you can click on the question icon. Now enter your name as the member. Again, for the address, use the registered agent's address to protect your privacy. If there are additional members, click Add Member and add their information. Next are optional items. Everything is optional and a la carte. No forced bundles here. I recommend getting a tax ID, EIN. Northwest will do this for you for an additional $50, or you can do it on your own by following the instructions in this video down below in the description. If you want to have your LLC taxes an S Corp, you can have Northwest file Form 2553 with the IRS. This can help you save money on taxes, but you should only do it if you're earning $50,000 to $100,000 of profit per year from your LLC. A video about S Corps down below. If you work from home, you'll want their premium mail service so you're not listing your home address on any business documents, invoices, or emails. Again, helping you keep your information private. The premium mail forwarding option is $20 a month. I'll choose that and have my mail scanned and sent to me digitally. I wouldn't worry about the trademark filing now. If you're using your LLC name as your brand name, you don't need a DBA. A DBA, doing business as, is only needed if your LLC name is different from the brand name you'll use publicly. Add what you want and click continue. Then enter your contact information. Name, phone number, and address. This is for Northwest and won't be shared with the state. Next, create your account with your email and a password. Fill in your payment information, hit submit, and you're done. Once approved, your LLC is officially formed. You'll receive your formation documents from the state, or Northwest will add scanned copies to your account. Once you have your LLC, we recommend getting your employer identification number, or EIN. If you're a single member LLC, this isn't a requirement, but we recommend it so you can keep your business and personal finances separate. Your EIN allows you to open a business bank account and hire employees. You can get it for free from the IRS's website in just a few minutes, or Northwest can handle it when you're forming your LLC, so everything is done in one place. Next, your operating agreement. Texas doesn't legally require an operating agreement, but you should have one. This document explains who owns the LLC, how decisions are made, helps minimize conflicts, and also helps maintain your personal liability protection. Banks may ask for it, accountants may ask for it, and if there's ever a dispute, this document protects you. Even if you're a single member LLC, this matters. Northwest provides simple operating agreement templates, so you're not trying to figure this out on your own. Even if you don't use Northwest to form your LLC, their templates are free to download. You'll find them linked down below. Now let's talk about licenses and permits. Forming an LLC doesn't automatically mean you're allowed to operate your business. Depending on what you do and where you're located, you may need state licenses, county licenses, city licenses, or industry-specific permits. This is based on your business type and your location, so you need to check local and state requirements. As a starting point, you can ask your favorite AI tool if you need any licenses or permits to operate your business type in whatever city, county, or state you're based in. Once you have your EIN, we recommend opening a business bank account. This will help you keep your personal and business finances separate. It keeps your accounting cleaner, makes taxes easier, and helps protect your personal assets if anything happens legally. To open an account, you'll just need to provide the bank, either online or in branch, with your certificate of formation, your EIN confirmation letter, your operating agreement, an LLC resolution to open a bank account if your LLC has more than one member, and a government-issued photo ID. We recommend contacting your bank of choice beforehand to make sure you have on hand all necessary documentation, as requirements vary from bank to bank. To avoid account minimums, monthly fees, and other fees, I recommend avoiding traditional banks and using an online business bank account. Bluevine and American Express, for example, offer accounts with no monthly fees, and you can earn interest on your checking account balance. Linked below, you'll find a video on the best business bank accounts and another video walking you through how to open an account. You should learn to get your finances in order from day one. You don't need to hire an accountant, but I would at least start tracking your income and expenses with an online accounting software like QuickBooks, Wave, Doola, or FreshBooks. After you start earning some revenue and your expenses start to grow, it might make sense to look for a service like Doola's Business in a Box, where you can work with a dedicated bookkeeper. If you want to hire a bookkeeper from the beginning, you could even have Doola form your LLC. If business accounting is something new to you, I've linked a few videos below that'll help you better understand income, expenses, write-offs, taxes, and how to manage your finances properly from the beginning, instead of trying to fix things later on. And if you sell taxable goods or services, you'll need to register with the Texas Comptroller of Public Accounts for sales tax collection and compliance. Don't skip this step. Additionally, Texas requires you to file a public information report every year with the Texas Comptroller of Public Accounts, and the deadline is May 15th. This must be filed every year, starting the year after your LLC is formed, or your LLC could be forfeited by the state. The good news is there's no filing fee for the public information report. Most small businesses won't need to pay a franchise tax. For 2026, only businesses with revenue over $2.65 million are required to pay it. Be careful not to miss this deadline. You'll face a $50 late fee plus additional penalties if tax was owed. So put May 15th on your calendar now. Starting an LLC in Texas doesn't have to be complicated. If you want the easiest way to get started, you can find the Northwest Registered Agent link below. If you use our link, we may earn a commission at no cost to you. It's a great way to support the channel. Now, to sidestep common mistakes new business owners fall into, watch this video. We also have this free course that goes over everything you need to know when starting a new business. If you have any questions or need additional guidance, feel free to comment below or message us. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.